Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this RENPHO eye massager that this brand sent to me for this video. And I've been trying it for quite a while now, and I do have to say something that it may be one of the good things about this one. That depends on you, that depends on what you want it for, because this one can be used for just relaxing, for unwinding your day, just because before or after work or after a workout or something like that. But I do think that it's also really good for headaches and migraines. So that is why I think it's good for me. Because, you know, when you have one of those, sometimes people had it kind of like on the back of their head, some right here on the centerpiece. I do have them here, kind of like right here on the side of my eye. So this one really help out. It is super easy to use, turn on and off. It actually has this a really comfy strap that you can actually adjust if you need, in case that you need something like bigger. So that is really good, that comes with this one to adjust it. And also a nice piece right here. Overall, I want to say that it has a really nice cushion, and also it is rechargeable like this one, and it comes with a bag for carrying with you on the go or taking it on vacations or a short trip or something like that. Let's try it out. So first of all, check this out. This is how you turn it on and off. And you have the heat and the intensity on the massager as well. And you also have kind of like a guided conversation. You know, that's how it's gonna work. But check this out. You can probably see that. You can see how it pushes and then it goes back. And then right here on the side, check this out. These are the type of pressure points that I was telling you before, how it pressures right here on the side of your head, and then your eyes, and then kind of like your nose bridge. And of course, this is really cool to have as well. But yeah, just the heat on my eyes and the pressure point right here on the sides, and just everything with the touch of a button right here. I can change the intensity, I can put a vibration, I can put the heat or turn off the heat. But the most important thing for me, it is the pressure on my head, on my eyes, just like that. And then the pressure points right here on the side of my head. I think these are just fantastic and so easy to use, but also so convenient, so relaxing. By the way, if you suffer from migraines or headaches or something like that, really good to have. I like it, and I do extra recommend it.